How to enable new features in the right-click menu with iBoysoft MagicMenu. If you have installed iBoysoft MagicMenu but don't see the new features in your Mac's right-click menu, don't worry, there's a quick fix. This guide will show you how to enable the necessary permissions so you can start using these powerful tools to enhance your workflow. First, you will need to adjust some settings on your Mac. Open System Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and select Accessibility. And then click the plus icon to add iBoysoft MagicMenu from your applications list. Next, go back to Privacy and Security, go to Full Disk Access, find iBoysoft MagicMenu, and turn it on. If you use iCloud Sync and notice that the right-click menu features don't appear in iCloud Drive folders like Files or Documents, you can fix this from within the app. Open iBoysoft MagicMenu, go to Settings in the left-hand panel and click Grant Accessibility Permission and Grant Automation Permission. Once all permissions are granted, you can right-click on your desktop, drives, files or folders and access new features like Create New File, Move Files to, and more. You can also customize your right-click menu further. Go to Extensions in the left panel, browse the available extensions, then click the Download button next to the one you want. It will be automatically added to your right-click menu. If you no longer need an extension, simply open the app, select the extension, click the three dots on the right, and choose Uninstall. iBoysoft MagicMenu also lets you edit the default right-click menu. You can add or remove items and create custom menus or sub-menus tailored to your workflow. To add a new item, click Add Item and choose from the extension store, or create a new one for your most used function. You can also group multiple features using the Add Group button. To remove any item or group, just select it and click the Remove button at the top. After customizing, your new right-click functions will be available immediately, making your Mac right-click menu more efficient and personalized. Thanks for watching this video.